Okay, we're gonna slide up to the bottom of the glute fold here. We're gonna bring this down a little bit more. Is this one tender too?
Yeah.
Is your ear tender there? Mm-mm. Good. You breathe it?
Let me try again.
Shoulders drop.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Okay, so very symmetrical temperature here. Your right scapula is just a little bit lower than the left scapula, so we're seeing a little bit of a postural change. And otherwise, it's very symmetrical, very normal from top to bottom and from left to right. It just looks like that you have some broken blood vessels right here where these postural changes are, which is very interesting. Assess your pelvis. March in place for me. Okay, looking at the feet, a little bit of an arch drop on the left. That's fine. High knees. Okay, I'm going to measure your glute fibers now, so you're going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings, okay? Okay, we're going to slide up to the bottom of the glute fold here. It looks like it's slightly lower on the left, and then looking from the top, it looks even. All right, bend forward and touch your toes. Okay, looking for any rib humping here. We're nice and straight, up and down, left to right. The left comes up short first, that's which matches the standing glute fiber check. Left short. And crawl. All right, well, you definitely have some tension in your back.
I know, I can't relax.
Yeah, do you feel that tension on a normal basis?
Yeah, maybe on the left side.
Here?
Oh,
More than this?
oh,
Both of them?
yep.
All right, well, that's why we're adjusting your sacrum too. Ready? Let's practice an adjustment first.
Okay.
And that way you can feel it like this. That's good. And then we're gonna push like that.
Okay, that was practice?
That was practice.
Okay.
Okay, shoulders sinking in.
I know, I can't relax.
Good, you're doing great. No, all you have to do is breathe. Don't worry about relaxing, okay. Just breathe. Good, just let it slip out. Just let it all go. Good.
Holy shit. I felt it in my chest.
Okay, good. Same thing, deep breath in. Good, and out. Good, let the shoulders sink. Good. Okay, now, okay, shoulders relaxed, just kind of sinking in. I'm gonna lower the headpiece down just a little bit like that. Good. Good. One more breath, just like that. Good. Sinking in.
Holy, what the?
But you can tell the difference between that crack there
Yeah,
and the other ones
were
before
small.
it. Yeah.
Why?
There was more pressure here. More pressure. Top of the breath, you're going to start letting it out, and then as you let it out, we're going to push, okay? Okay, so let's do that again. Deep breath in, all the way as far as you can go. Let your shoulders relax. Good, now breathe. Okay, so we're going to bring your hands slightly up. And then you're going to breathe, and as you breathe, we're going to stretch your shoulders in this direction. I'm going to bring your pelvis like this, and then we're going to push like that, okay? Good, sinking in shoulders. Good, we're going to bring this down a little bit more.
I feel like my body's like breaking apart.
We're going to come right about there, and then push, okay? Okay, breathing in and out. Good, shoulders relaxed, let this come down a little bit more.
That's good.
Left is still short, that's good. Let this relax here, turn your head to the right. Good. Back to center. Now turn your head to the left. Good, evens out there, back to center. Looking at the right upper cervical. Okay, we're gonna do some very gentle traction, okay? Okay, just let your head just sink into my hands. Good, you can close your eyes. There's nothing to look at right now. To my hands here. That's the most important feeling that you want to accomplish, is this feeling right here. That's it. So if I bring you over here, just let it drop.
Okay.
Here, drop. Good, loose. You see, let your head and shoulders drop. Let this drop too. Good, that's better. Let your hips drop.
I can't. I don't know why.
No, you're doing great. You're
Okay.
fine. Good. You breathing?
Let me try again. Okay.
Good, and out. Good, that's perfect. Good.
What the hell? Felt good. Make it sound scarier than it feels.
We're gonna do the left side now, okay? First, I'm gonna test the left side. I'm not gonna push yet, but just let it go. Let your head just practice that breath. Good. 5, 4. Seems like mid to upper 5, 4 here. Okay, breathing. Okay, let's try that again. Deep breath in. Good, and out. Good, and then let your head drop. Good, let your shoulders drop.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna crack your toes now, okay? One more time. Good, okay. Now this is a pubic bone adjustment. You're gonna squeeze my fist in between your knees, okay?
Okay.
Can I go ahead and squeeze? Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Here, let's try this. Hold your knees together. Hold them together. Don't let me pull it apart. Hold as hard as you can. Close your eyes.
Oh.
We're going to start with the ileocecal valve. This is the valve in between the large and the small intestine, okay? This is about where your belly button is. Yep, and then the ASIS here, this is the front of the hip bone. We connect these 2 points. We start from there. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
That? Did you hear that?
No, I just feel pain.
You feel pain? Rate it for me. 10's the worst pain ever.
Like a 3.
Okay. Okay, let your legs go down flat. Good, letting the shoulders sink in and the hips sink in. Good, that was a good let go. Do that again, same thing. Good, and out. Good, let the shoulders go.
You didn't walk away.
How was it?
That was nice.
Put these blocks underneath of your hips. Good, right hip up. Good, down. Nice gentle breathing. Let your shoulders sink in. Hold your pinky and thumb together. It's my mom's birthday.
Really?
Yeah. Hold them together. Hold them. Hold. Good, let this go. Is your ear tender there?
Mm-mm.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.